What is up, Pyros? Got a little lick in the other day. Just want y'all to see what's happening. Even though I got a ton of shit already, Texas 5 keeps buying. So we got these guys, the little frogs. It's a good little 200-gram cake. Everybody knows what that is. Me and D-Town, 214 split. Here we go. Now we're talking. I heard these are pretty good. Haven't seen them. Had that last year. It's a very good 200-gram cake. There's Superman. Everybody loves Superman. It's a good 100-shot little cake. Everybody knows what that is. And then the big boys. This is one hell of a cake. You light two of these off, it is a sky filler. You can see on one of my videos, I've done 2 of them. It's beautiful, beautiful. You buy 2 of those, and if that's all you have for finale, that's all you need. So just something small that I picked up, wanted to share. Y'all keep firing. We're getting closer and closer to the 4th. Y'all keep building y'all stash. Keep sharing it. Pyro out. Texas 5.